This morning, two brothers accused of shooting and killing a Lexington mother appeared in court for a preliminary hearing.
New evidence revealed by the homicide detective in the case. ABC 36's Jane Davenport was in the courtroom and shares why police charged the brothers with murder.
18-year-old Kevin Marquez Chavez sits next to his brother, 21-year-old Brian Marquez Chavez, while details from a shooting that killed 28-year-old Esmeralda Rodriguez Perez on September 8, 2023, are shared with the courtroom. Both brothers are charged with murder, attempted murder, and 20 counts of wanton endangerment. The homicide detective assigned to the case, John Davis, says officers showed up to the home on Betsy Lane at around 1 in the morning after shots were fired. Davis says the surveillance footage from the mobile home park shows two suspects running through the area, and flock cameras identified a silver Nissan Altima driving through the park multiple times before and after the shooting. That car was registered to Brian Marquez Chavez.
I think the evidence came out the way exactly we expected it. Our clients were in a neighborhood that they were from, that they'd lived in before.
The detective also saying both the brothers' phones pinged off the cell tower in the area around the time of the shooting.
How close does the cell phone data really put them to 312 Betsy Lane, where this party for a 3-year-old was going on after midnight?
Officers were able to collect 24 gun shell casings, leading them to believe the weapon used was an automatic firearm. That weapon was never recovered. A male victim was also shot during the incident. When the detective asked him who could have done this, he named both Brian and Kevin.
Sometimes totally innocent people that are in these neighborhoods can get drawn into things, even just by association, even just by name.
The brothers fled to Florida after the incident and about a year later were arrested and extradited back to Fayette County to face their charges. Today, the judge sent the case to the grand jury and denied bond reduction for both suspects, saying the charges are too serious and both pose a flight risk.
Obviously, this is a horrible tragedy anytime someone's shot, but it's also a horrible tragedy when someone's held that is not guilty.
The date for their next court appearance has not been set. In Lexington, Jane Davenport, ABC 36 News Now.